Well, it's official, Luna Classic holders. The burn is live. I want to talk about that, of course, but also talk about some of the centralized exchanges who may be shifting to off chain transactions as well as on chain transactions for implementing the burn, which is absolutely massive. We have one major exchange already saying that they will be doing so, but we're also going to talk about, you know, where we need to go from here now that the burn tax is live, how much we've actually burned here recently. We're going to go over that as well. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm here every single day for you guys. Let's jump into the price action first here, okay? And we can see here that we're still trading sideways. These are daily candles. So it's been about 7 days now, about a week of sideways action. From a technical perspective, it's pretty neutral right now across the board when we look at moving averages and such. In the last month, we're still up 217%. In the last 3 months, 407%. And down a little bit in the last week, about 20%, but we're staying pretty nicely here in the 2.8 range, in the higher 2 range right now, which is good to see. But I think we're just gearing up for another big push here. Now, if we jump into this particular tweet, I want to start with this. And so eToro just announced yesterday they'll be supporting the Luna Classic 1.2% tax off chain, officially the first major centralized exchange to support Luna Classic permanently. And wow, that was big. LUNC burn, Luna Classic Army. There's the notice from eToro, and basically outlining that this is the first major exchange that will be, supporting the Luna Classic tax off chain in addition to on chain. So wanted to bring you that. And then, of course, this is lunaburn.online. If you want to track the burns in real time, this is a good website for you. Lunaburn.online. They've got the total supply, circulating supply, and this updates for you basically every minute or so. They do a really nice job. So, again, lunaburn.online. I wanted to bring you that. Our friend Oscar Ramos talking about it was a pleasure to capture this huge Luna Classic milestone with the Luna Classic fam. Of course, it all happened at block 9,475,202. And that is when the burning took into effect. And look at that. It was at 2:41 in the morning. And that is when it went absolutely live officially. Now, also want to take you over to another tweet here. Let me go back here. And basically, people are tracking in real time. Basically, in the last hour alone, we've already burned a little over 2 million Luna Classic. It will take time, right? It will take time. But, patience is a virtue. Luna C. Whale says all you need is patience. Luna LUNC burn. And I feel very similar about Luna Classic burns than I do with Shiba Inu burns. It's not going to be a catalyst over time and the price is just going to skyrocket overnight. It's not going to happen. So we've got to be patient here, but it is a working catalyst that Luna Classic now has. It's a very unique catalyst that the community has brought forth. Now, we need Binance to start burning Luna Classic off chain. That would be big, right? That would bring, you know, obviously they hold a ton of the supply, a good portion of the supply. That would bring us up to speed a little bit quicker in terms of the dent we can make in reducing the circulating supply if CZ Binance and Binance got behind this. But if they don't, patience is key as well. I mean, regardless here, it's going to take time. Over time, we'll see the effect. This is an LUNC burning chart over time. Where we can get to right now, and what's going on. Absolutely, is still nothing short of amazing. But we're going to need more catalysts down the road, right? That's the next big thing as well. I'm really looking forward to kind of tracking this and monitoring this moving forward, because now that we've got the burn set in stone, I want to see the community kind of shift their focus now and focus on use cases, right? How can we build on top of this blockchain that's existed for a while, that's here, and let's bring this thing back to life. And this is a big step in the right direction. So let me know what you think about all this down below. The burn is live, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be tracking for it for you all day and all week long, basically how it's going and the impact it's having here in the short term. But remember, Patience is a virtue. It's a long-term catalyst that over time will pay dividends. Thank you so much for popping in, guys. Appreciate it. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.